So welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna D. In today's video, we're going to be talking about is the Precision Beauty Cleansing Wipes. But these are not just your makeup wipes. These are your wipes that you use to clean your brushes. I was like, what? Makeup wipes instead of just for makeup removing. It is for brushes. So these are your wipe out brush cleansing wipes. These are your on the go wipes. And I really like how this bag has a galaxy theme going on. I really like that. I kind of already use these. Was really compromising about doing a video. So I kind of like already know what they're about, but I just want to share with you guys about it anyway. So these are the makeup wipes. I paid $3 at TJ Maxx. So you can find these at TJ Maxx. Get a thumbnail. So you can get these at TJ Maxx, and it's never get stuck using a dirty makeup brush again. Precision Beauty brush cleansing wipes are a convenient way to quickly clean makeup and oil from brushes at home or on the go. Simply throw away a couple of packets in your makeup bag for whenever you need them. Okay, I can just say I hate cleaning brushes, you guys. I hate cleaning brushes, and I'm just going to be honest with you. I am that beauty guru who hates cleaning brushes. I'm pretty sure there is like a lot of other beauty gurus who hate cleaning brushes, but I hate cleaning brushes. I hate just, you know, doing the most. I just feel like it's on the most. So I felt like with this guy coming in handy, I said, oh, let me just see the spot. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the demo, and I want you guys to subscribe if you're new. Hello, welcome to the fam. And also make sure you hit this subscribe button here on your mobile device, subscribe button here on your desktop, and one big one on your screen if you want new upcoming videos. This isn't the brushes that you use to clean your face with. You use them to clean a dirty, nasty brush that is in overdue cleaning time. Okay, I don't like cleaning my brushes, you guys. I don't like cleaning brushes in general. So if anybody out there that like to clean brushes, come holler at your girl, because I don't do brush cleaning. But it is important in the beauty world to have brushes clean after use, because if not, that's a lot of bacteria held up in place, and you don't want that to be all over your skin. So they come in these little packets here. Aren't these the cutest little packets? So the packaging on the packets looks exactly the same as it is on the actual packaging of the product you get. And all together you get 24 individually packets that will help you clean your makeup brushes on the go. So when you on the go, you can have these, and also you can just do them at home, and once you get done applying eyeshadow, you can use that makeup brush cloth to clean it off, and there you go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the wipe itself. I already got it out of the bag. The wipe is very, very small, just like this. This is a white wipe, you guys. Here's my makeup brush. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to get this in frame. So here's my brush, here's my wipe. You see how that much dirt is already coming out of that wipe? So the wipe itself is absorbing the brush, and it does get into a wet consistency after you apply it. Sometimes I like to soak them onto a clean surface of the wipe so that it can absorb all the yucky dirt and everything like that. I like to have it to soak, swirl it around in there a little bit, and see if most of the dirt is off. Now also with that, I still like to go around and make sure that I get any residue. So now, to save all time in the world, you guys, let's see a demo. So here is the brush after I clean it, and then here is how much of eyeshadow that was on that brush. Let's see if it got most of it off, and let's see if this brush is clean. So here's a cleaner side. Let's test it out. Ooh. No, it's still a little bit there. Okay, let's keep going. I kind of like the I kind of like the concept of it because, for one, you don't need to take all your cleansing tools whenever you're traveling. You just need that one product. So the next day you want to do a different look. The brush is not that dirty. Alright, so here's the final verdict of this product. Let's see how it is. Actually, you guys, it got most of it all. Like, no lie. Most of it all. Like, are you kidding me? It did. Like, it got most of it all. Look at that. The brush is clean. That is amazing. So now you can do your brushes on the go. I cleaned these earlier and they look good. So this is an Urban Decay brush. I clean it with an Urban Decay brush. I clean it with an e.l.f. brush. And I clean it with a Coastal Scents brush. And they're all clean. So those are the wipes. Now I do like the way how, you know, you get enough dirt as it is, but I don't think you get enough dirt off to where it's 100% clean. Like, you soak in the water, you use a mat, and you scrub as much as you can. I don't think with that it doesn't really like get it all out there, in my opinion. But I feel like with the wipes itself, they have enough moisture to get into the product. And then, like, if you have a concealer foundation, for an example, you can easily clean it, but it doesn't, I mean, it cleans up well enough, but I feel like it's not really 100% clean, in my opinion. But you know, we'll see. We'll just see. I just come back and do an update in the favorites video for April and see how well I like these. But those are my thoughts of the Precision Beauty Wipe Out. Now I do have this bad boy here I did get from TJ Maxx for $5. This is the Shadow Switch Brush Cleanser. You don't need no water or a cleaner required. So I'm going to test out this one too in an upcoming video, because I do need to clean my brushes bad. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.